Hi parents, it's Teacher Auni here. So today we are going to have a new goal. Today we're going to match the words to the correct picture. So the CC+vc word that we're going to do today are SH, SK, SL, SP, ST, SW, and lastly TR. Let's get started. Before we start, let's introduce again the concept of today's learning. So, children, we are going to use this word as his, sh, sk, sk, sl, sk, sp, st, 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 sw, and tr. Okay, how are we going to match this word to the correct picture? So first of all, let me show you. I have so many pictures here. Red traffic light means stop. Stop. Wow, family going on a trip. Trip. I also have a sled. Sled. Wow, what are these dots? Those are spots. Spots. Look, the girl is skipping. Skip. And the boy is swimming. Swim. Lastly, I have ship. Ship. Okay, now, can you tell me which one is this? Good. Ship. Ship. Good job. Can you match the correct word to the correct pictures? Good. Stop. Stop. Here's your reward. Quack, 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 quack. Next. Ship. Good. Ship and ship. Purple dot. Quack, 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 quack. Wow, good. Trip and trip. Sled. Sled. Spot. Spot. Did you get 1, 2, 3 correct? Wow, let me give you another dog. Quack, 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 quack. Look, we have 2 more. What are these pictures? Swim and skip. Where is swim? Which one is skip? What could this be? Oh, good. Skip. Skip. Good. Swim and swim. Here you go. More ducky.